there. So today in this video, it's a little different than what I usually bring to you guys. I've been actually testing out like fast cleaning time-lapse videos on Instagram and organizational videos on Instagram, and it's actually been a hit. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and take this to YouTube and see how it actually performs. So in today's video, I'm actually organizing, decluttering, and making use of my space. I kind of wanted today's video to focus on only my cabinets in the kitchen. I'm doing this because I live in a 2-bedroom apartment, but I feel like I don't have enough space. Me doing this definitely should make life a little bit easier. In today's video, what I'm sharing, the tips and the products that I'm using can definitely be used in an apartment, a home of a larger size, or a home of a smaller size, just to make life a little bit easier. So first things first is you always want to start off by planning. So what made life easier for me was planning what I wanted to be in each cabinet. For me, I started off by just really planning for 3 cabinets, but I ended up doing 5 because I was so in the cleaning mood and I was like, oh my god, I want to finish the rest. So for the first cabinet, I wanted it to be only glass cups, glass mugs. Anything that was pretty much glass or ceramic was supposed to be in the first cabinet. In the second cabinet, I wanted it to be plates and bowls, and that was pretty much it. Third cabinet was actually completely miscellaneous, I'm not gonna lie. It was a bunch of random stuff put in there. If I were to categorize it, it was pretty much mostly my plastics, my containers. I don't really use containers, but my sister and I live together and she uses containers when she goes to work and stuff. On the top shelves, I have some things that my grandmother has given to me that I think might be a little too fancy to use right now. So I have that actually being saved in the top part of my cabinet. The fourth cabinet was pretty much a junk cabinet. I think we all have a junk cabinet and a junk drawer in our kitchens. If we don't, I definitely have had it all my life. But for the junk cabinet, I kind of wanted to clean that out because again, that was wasted space. It's a huge cabinet that things can actually be in. And then in the 5th cabinet was my puppy's cabinet, Zoe's, and I thought that was actually the perfect place because you saw how it was before. It was a hot mess. Buying 1 rack from Target because I just wasn't sure how big it was, how small it was, if it was going to even fit in my cabinet. I had to end up going to Walmart by an accident. If you watched my last vlog, you know why. And I found these racks just like the Target brand. I like them because they're a little bit more wider. The Walmart one is also amazing. It's easy to put together. But I seen this on Amazon, and Amazon actually had these really cool extendable ones, and I was like, crap, if it's too big, I can't put it in my video on Saturday, and if it's too small, I still can't put it in my video on Saturday, and then I hate returning things, and I was like, I need this now. So I ended up buying 1 from Target just to experiment. I definitely recommend that if you're not sure about how it's gonna fit, or how it's gonna feel, or how it's gonna look in your apartment, definitely buy 1 and test it from there, and if you can, go back and stock up on the rest. But I wouldn't say buy a whole bunch of stuff for the first time. If you hate to return things like me, it's gonna be sitting in your cabinet or in your bathroom or in your house until whenever. So I ended up buying these 2 silver drawer things from Amazon, which ended up working perfect for my puppy's cabinet. It's really easy to put together, super simple, takes less than probably 10 minutes to put together. Love it. Drawers are really long, so you can fit a lot of things in them. It's not like you have to limit what you're gonna put in them. I've seen a lot of reviews saying that they weren't sturdy. I don't know what kind of drawer they got, but these are sturdy. So I absolutely love them. I can stack things on top. get started on color coordinating and all that shabazz. I just kind of want to put everything up and then I'll go from there. I need to get everything off the counter and up so I can know like what's gonna stay, what's gonna go in a different cabinet, and so forth. everything that I usually use the most on the bottom, things that I use sometime in the middle, or whatever is on the third row. Now I'm a short person, so I'm probably never gonna touch those unless I feel like climbing on the counter or using the chair. So if you are watching this video though, please use a step stool. I decided to use a bar stool because I was so lazy to get my step stool out of the closet. So definitely use a bar stool to be safe. If you are looking for anything that I used in this video, please make sure you go down below. The links are all attached to my blog. Wrap this video up. I really honestly enjoyed definitely organizing my cabinets. I got rid of so much junk, it's crazy. I do feel like I got my money's worth. I definitely do feel like this was a very successful declutter and a great way to save space. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want more organizational videos from me, let me know down below and I will be happy to do some more. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video.